For the first step, we have to remove all the screws from the back. Make sure to follow the screw pattern on a desk each time you remove a screw. After removing the screws, we will pull the cover forward and then up. Support the cover against the surface to form a 90 degrees angle. Peel off the black felt strip and remove the 6 silver screws holding the keyboard in place. You need to remove all of these, even if you are replacing one octave. Turn the keys upside down to see the 12 silver screws that hold each octave in place. You only have to remove those for the octave in question. Use a spudger to remove the keys from the key contact board. Now replace the broken part with a new one. Half of the process is done. You can now place the keys on the key contact board. Screw the 12 screws and then place the keyboard in its position. Put the cover back on top and screw the screws to the back of the unit. That's it, you're done.